guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Exie, and today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my organic body scrub with turmeric. Today we are going to be making organic body scrub. So let me start. I need my sugar, white sugar. I'm using the organic. And brown organic sugar. This is the brown organic sugar. I'll mix them well together. Combine. I'll be using a tablespoon of my turmeric powder organic. A teaspoon. And I'll mix them well. So let's go to the wet ingredient. Choose the dry one. So in this my container, I'm going to be using shea butter. This is my shea butter. If you live in Russia, this is how shea butter look like. I'm going to be using a teaspoon of shea butter. So I will use this to make sure it is more inside. I'm going to be using a teaspoon of my cocoa butter. Because I have a tablespoon, I'll be measuring a teaspoon out of it. So I'm going to mix these two ingredients together. I will leave it 2 minutes. Okay. I'm going to be using my coconut oil. I'm going to be using a tablespoon of coconut oil. This is my coconut oil. And it's also going to be melting. Sorry. Stick. Why is everything just... I thought we were in summer. I'll be using a tablespoon. Okay. This is what's going to happen, guys. I'm going to mix some oil together. Where is everything? So let me try and mix them fast. Yeah. Okay. Okay, my oil is met. I'm going to be adding this oil, this tea oil to it, the coconut, shea butter and the cocoa oil to it. I'm going to be adding my extra virgin oil to it. A tablespoon of extra virgin oil to it. Then I mixed. Making a mess already. After it's well mixed, I'll add my honey. I'm using a teaspoon of honey. Organic honey, guys. I'm using a teaspoon of honey. wet, cover it well, make sure it's wet combined. See what I'm doing? See what I'm doing here? See the color already? I'm going to be using a teaspoon of on my line. Guys, turmeric scrub is good for your skin. It makes your skin so glue like mad, and it cures spots. So you have to remove this. I'll mix well. I'll be adding my jojoba oil. And I will be adding my vitamin E oil. Adding a little drop of vitamin E oil. Cut it. This is how vitamin E oil look like in Russia. I'll be adding my glycerin. Glycerin also prevent your skin from diseases, and I'll be using this for my preservative. And I'll be using this also for my pef. I'll be using this as my pef. And we'll be adding a tea tree oil. Tea tree oil. And coconut flavor. So I have to open this. I really need to open this. This is what we are talking about when I'm not organized. Guys, so let me tell you some health benefits about this product I'm making, this turmeric body scrub. Turmeric body scrub is good for your skin. It helps your skin to fight against spots. It removes spots from your skin. It protects your skin from damaging, and it's good for lighting, and it makes your skin to glow like mad. Like if you want to glow like moist skin, then you use turmeric scrub. So my oil is melt already. Let me add a little. I'll be putting a little drop. It's top aloe vera. You guys know what aloe vera do for the body, right? Everybody know what aloe vera does for the body. And the scrub is ready. So let me transfer the scrub into the container. I'm going to be using this jug for my scrub. First of all, I'm going to be sanitizing it. We don't trust what we are using. You protect your scrub because we're going to be using this thing for your skin. And this is the finisher part of this, and this is how it look like. You can say that. And it smells nice, guys. And it's ready, guys. It's it's ready to be used. So I'm going to be testing it on my skin. You've seen how my skin looks like. I'm going to be using this on my skin. This is the turmeric scrub on my skin. You can see that. So let me go and wash it away and show you how it look like. This is how it look like after I wash my skin. You see? It's even shiny. You can see it. So because it's a turmeric scrub, you have to sponge it out well. You wash it out well. This scrub is good for your body and it's also good for your face. It clears pimples, it clears mark, it removes spots from your body and from your face. If you are the type that is suffering from from spots, see my English. If you are the type that is suffering from spots, I will advise you to be using this turmeric body scrub. It's very good and it's organic. Organic products are good for your body. Till next time, please guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. Bye for now.